This evening, the travelling public are being warned to brace for the possibility of more inconvenience tomorrow if transport operators have their way. The operators, who have been protesting for the past 2 days about increased fines and new offences under the revised Road Traffic Act, extended the protest from the corporate area into other parishes and said it could continue. President of the Jamaica Association of Taxi Owners and Operators, JATU, Louis Barton, even visited Parliament today to bring his colleagues' grouses to the attention of lawmakers. TVJ's Kirk Wright has this primetime news update.
A second day of protest. Taxi operators upset about new higher fines they face and more disgruntled commuters.
If they need to voice their opinion, they need to voice it some other way, but not on the consumer side, because when I can't reach to work now, you know, the passenger suffers, not them, and even the person that they want to voice out to, they're not feeling it.
Before midday, taxis lined out along Mandela Park in Halfway Tree, and the operators finding other things to occupy their time. For a second day, commuters were left to find alternative ways to reach their destination. In downtown Kingston, the taxi operators were far more vocal and active. Just as they did on Monday, many used their vehicles to block a section of North Parade for hours. Jamaica Urban Transport Company buses, JUTC, loaded with passengers in the bus bay, had to stay put. Others that were already en route and came upon the roadblock had to stop, and their passengers transferred to other buses to complete their journey. Just now you were signing tickets. What does that mean?
It's a transfer.
Shortly after midday in Halfway Tree, the president of the Jamaica Association of Taxi Owners and Operators, JATU, Louis Barton, was mobilizing a team to visit Gordon House. One after the other, they journeyed to their destination. But first, a stop downtown to address other taxi operators.
What we want to do is to deliver a letter to the Speaker, because they've already passed the law at Parliament here. The MPs passed the law saying that we have to pay $75,000 for a badge. If you don't have your badge, $75,000. Wickedness! But all of those who own a taxi, if your driver get a ticket for not wearing a seatbelt, you as the driver, as the owner, are going to pay for it. All of that is injustice.
The police expected them, and so the barrier around Gordon House was extended. At Gordon House, Mr. Barton met House Speaker Pernell Charles and delivered a letter detailing the reason for the taxi operators staying off the job. There was an exchange between the two.
Now, your amendment, I can't debate because I'm not debating it from the floor. And out of respect and the democracy that we abide by, I think you have a right to give me a copy of what you're saying. But you must understand, I can only transmit it to the Minister of Transport.
The bill is scheduled to be debated by senators on Friday. Now it's a wait and see for Mr. Barton. But in the interim, he's asking his fellow operators to, in his own words, sit it out. Sit it out means go back on the job or stay off the job?
Stay off the job for now. Stay off the job until we find out something positive from the government, whether it's the Speaker or the Minister or whoever.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.